Hello, I just want to share these baby food recipes or ideas. These were the food I offered to my baby when he was 6 to 9 months. Most health experts recommend that babies begin getting solid food at around 4 to 6 months of age. We used the traditional way of weaning, wherein we began with smooth purees before moving to mashed and chopped foods, then finger foods to small bites. Remember that first tastes are important for developing good eating habits and exposing your child to a wide variety of flavors. New foods can be introduced every day, or you may combine foods. You can also start offering sips of water in a cup to get your baby used to it. The following are the recipes I made for my baby when he was 6 to 9 months old. These might help you in choosing what food to prepare for your baby. When he reached 10 months of age, I finally overcome my fear seeing him choke and gag. That's the time we started baby-led weaning, or BLW.